Granny Goose. Come over to this side.
Say.
Oh, it's upside down. Turn it the other way so you can tell what it is. What is it, Maddox? Open it. Stand up. Stand up and open it. What is it?
E.
What is it?
E.
What is that?
Color. Color.
Yeah, what is it though?
Color.
What is it? Is it a slide? Is that a slide for Maddox? Is it a slide? That's a- Let's wait to open it. So he opens his other gifts, because you have to put it together anyway. All right, Maddox has a slide for the backyard. See, it's your own slide. He has a slide. He's like, I have a drum too. You want to open more presents? Let's see what else, what other presents you have. Come here.
Here's one right there.
Look, here's another present. Oh, let me take the paper out. Let's put it back in real quick. What's in there?
Buffy.
What is it?
Buffy.
Ed. What's in your... Open it up. What's in there? Gotta open it. Take out the paper.
Oh, no. Yeah.
What is it?
Ew. Ew. Ew.
What's that?
Ew.
What's that?
Ew.
Is that a shirt?
Shirt. And some new pants. I
Ooh.
like those. They're insulated.
Oh, yeah? Cool. Those are nice. All right. You want another one? Let's see. Who's this one for? Oh, here's another one for Maddox. That's for Dada. No, is it a chair for Maddox?
Okay, open this. Okay. You got it.
His arm's through the...
Let go. Wow.
Look, Maddox.
What's that? What's that? Is that a seagull? Huh? What's that?
Those shoes for Maddox?
Shoes?
Those shoes for Maddox? this for you? They go on your feet?
Shoe.
Shoo! Those are for Maddox. What's on them?
Oh.
What's this right here?
Oh.
What is that?
You.
What is it? What is it?
Oh.
What is that right there?
Oh.
What's that?
See. Oh.
There we go. There we go.
Ew. 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 Ew.
Let's see. Where's one for?
Two.
There's one for you.
All right. You gonna help Daddy? Paul.
Oh, bye. Oh, bye. Bye, bye.
Shirt.
That's nice. I like that shirt.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
Looks like a new Christmas sweater.
Cool.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Let's see, what did I get? Ooh, some new slippers. All right.
Mama got slippers.
Sweet. Cool. Yay, slippers for mommy.
Those are really padded.
No, they're soft. They're deer foam.
Nice. Mama got slippers.
Let's see, who's this one for? This one is for... Oh, me.
See what Mama's got.
Mama holds the camera and opens a present.
You have it on your wrist. Can you?
Oh, goodness. That's, yeah, that was hard to take off. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty bracelets. Thank you. Really pretty. I like that. Kind of like a cat eye. Still in there.
And Maddox is playing in Mama's slippers.
All right.
Mama gets a vest.
Green vest. Nah, you got mommy's slippers on. Daddy's not even paying attention where the camera's going.
I was watching him. I'm bad with this thing. I'm sorry.
Cool. This is really pretty. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, this too. Can you see this? Sweet. Thank you.
No, Maddox.
Seriously.
It's. Sorry. Not so much the present, Maddox, but I got to get rid of the camera. What's that? Husky shirt. Oh, look at your nose.
Oh, he had to say nose. Smeared his hand in it.
Two dozen golf balls.
All right.